Hello friends, we are at Metal Expo 2nd edition Mumbai, where you can see live machines in action. You are as of now seeing a Innovative International Limited, wherein we have a fiber laser cutting machine and water jet cutting machines live in demo. And we can see that a lot of portfolio customers are coming around here from applications like aerospace, industrial applications like automobile, engineering, pharmaceuticals and all. And we have a very good footfall of customers over here. A lot of new customers are coming around, as well as the old customers are also gathering around to see the live machines are in actions. You can see that machine is working on, and then a lot of other portfolios are also going on. We hope this show goes well, very well, and next time we see you soon in the next edition of 3rd in Metal Expo. Thank you.